Alrighty, we're back at the Camaro project here. Slowly transitioning myself into working on this thing, just because it's a big project, and I've stepped away from it for quite a while. But where we're at right now is we have the wiring from the headlights and a couple other extra wires there for other things like a horn and whatever else I need, washer, fluid, pump. But yeah, we've got it down here. We've got it labeled. So we're going to have to connect what we need to the taillight circuit, which we have labeled. You can see here we got 6 wires here, or 5 wires. Very similar circuit, except this one's got a reverse and a stop, but that has a low and high beam. But yeah, so we got to connect those together. Found out this was all solid core aluminum wiring, just for the extension piece. So we're just probably going to turf all that and find something I've kicking around here and wire it in. But yeah, we're still working on this thing. It's still coming along, but fuck me, it's gonna be a while. So, but we'll keep going at it. So yeah, any questions, put them down below, and I'll get back to you. But smell you later.